Hey you guys, I have gotten a couple questions about tonight's homework. What I want to do is go over it with the video just to make sure you're understanding. Okay, in your groups, you have been working on this document, okay? And you notice how each of these are numbered. So as you have been filling stuff in, let's say I've got an example one here. We've been talking and you've been filling it in and I've been helping you correct stuff. So your assignment tonight was to choose one of these items and figure out which box it's in for your group, because every group kind of puts them in different spots, and then write a description about it. Okay, so what that means is, let's say on this particular group's work, they have slavery in that big center box right here. They have slavery Slavery expands right here. And if we look here, slavery expands that's the one they have it in is box 11. Okay, now you guys got this paper, or maybe you drew this chart on the back of a different piece of paper, but you signed up for a topic to write about. And the topics that you're going to write about are in the PowerPoint or the slideshow that is under the task that says descriptions of events. And again, when you open that slideshow and that cloud assignment, you'll see there's your document right here with the numbers. So we got to go and we got to find slide. For this particular person, they put slavery in slide 11. That doesn't mean that's the only place it goes. So we're going to have to find box 11 on our own slideshow. Not your group, anything. You are probably only just going to type in this one slide tonight. And right here it says main idea or explanation of event. And then right here it says box 11 event. So what you'll do is right here, instead of having event, term, or person's name, you will remove that and write slavery. And then in this box right here, what you'll do is you will explain why you put slavery in that box and how it led to the things in box 12 and beyond. And all of those things together are going to create that big multi-flow map that shows us how the Civil War came to be. All right, so if I'm looking at this here, when we're over here, we've got things more like Manifest Destiny, we've got things like the Indian Removal Act and so forth. And then when we get on this side, we're looking at the election of Lincoln or South Carolina seceding. So this person, when they put slavery there, they're probably going to have some things over here explaining how the expansion of slavery made it so the country stopped getting along. Because we went from a country that on this side was like, woohoo, USA, everything, we need all the land, and we'll keep moving west, and we'll go to war with Mexico over land, and we'll make treaties with Great Britain. That whole Manifest Destiny unit. We were very nationalistic. We were all about patriotism in the United States. And then as we go through and we add this land and we go through all these compromises, slavery becomes such an issue that what ends up happening is we start to, as a nation, focus more on which side of this argument we're on. Do we want slavery to expand and go further west? Or do we want it to be outlawed? Or do we not want it to expand? And so what ends up happening is we separate and we start to feel like two separate countries. And that would be sectionalism. So that's what you're doing. And so the only thing that you have to do is the one slide that you chose in the right spot for your group. That is your homework. One thing. And most of these descriptions are going to have been already completed by you on task 9.2, 9.3, or 9.4. You might find some stuff in Unit 8 on Manifest Destiny, so a helpful piece of paper could possibly be your Manifest Destiny review that was a test grade that I had passed back last week.